In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find and connect with a care provider on Treehouse. First, you're going to log in or create a client/parent account. From there, once you're logged in, under the parent dropdown, you're going to click on the Find Care option. And if you scroll down the page, you can see this bar that says Find a Care Provider. In this example, I'm going to just select Search and leave all of the field categories as they are, which will then pull up all of the care providers on the Treehouse platform. You can also go ahead and filter down on the left-hand side by specialty, location, categories, city, etc. So if I want to, for example, connect with Carla, I'm going to go ahead and click on that Learn More button. Once I'm taken to Carla's page, I can learn a little bit more about Carla, any of her specialties, services offered, what her care settings are, if she has any, and what her credentials are, her contact information, as well as I can also book an appointment with Carla as well. If I wanted to learn more about her clinic, I can click the Provider at Be With Baby link, which will open up her clinic page as well, so I can read a little bit more into Carla and some of the services that her clinic offers. And if you did want to connect with this provider, all you have to do is book that consultation in the appointment builder and schedule that appointment in to connect with them.